Is the Sohnne Pro Vacuum Cleaner the cleaning marvel it claims to be, or is it another overpriced scam lurking in the shadows of e-commerce? Thinking face, imagine spending your hard-earned money only to find out you've been duped. Scary, right? Stick around because we're diving into the truth about this vacuum, what the marketing won't tell you and what you absolutely need to know before clicking buy now. But hey, if you love recharging vacuums longer than you actually use them, this might be your dream product. Let's start with the features: powerful suction, eye sensors, a HEPA filter, and 50 minutes of runtime. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? But here's where it gets murky. First red flag: this product has no reviews on Trustpilot. 0. Nada. For a vacuum that promises the moon, that's a deafening silence. Even worse, when we checked the domain's registration on Hoy's, we found it's brand new. That often means one thing: dropshipping. What's dropshipping, you ask? It's where sellers buy cheap products, usually from suppliers in China, and resell them at a premium. And the real kicker? Those flashy product images? They're not even original, just repurposed from other websites. So, technically, your vacuum might have a better modeling career than actual cleaning skills. Now, about that impressive 50-minute runtime, it comes with a frustrating catch: a 4.5-hour recharge time. That's like needing a full night's sleep after running a 5K. If you've got large spaces or frequent cleaning needs, this downtime might drive you up the wall. The website itself? Classic sales urgency tricks: countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and huge discounts. But remember, these are often red flags of businesses prioritizing quick sales over product quality. And where is Sohnne based? We couldn't find a physical address or even a legit customer support number. Suspicious, isn't it? So, is the Sohnne Pro Vacuum Cleaner legit or a scam? While we can't confirm its quality, the lack of transparency, fake product images, and shady marketing scream one thing: buyer beware. If this vacuum really interests you, we recommend waiting for verified reviews, or exploring trusted alternatives. Want to dig deeper into how to spot scams like this? Check out our video on cyber heater reviews, legit or scam, where we expose more products that aren't what they seem. Click the link now, and don't get swayed.